Good day. For today's video, we are going to discuss Quarter 2, PE and Health 8, Lesson 5, Week 7 and 8 of Deped Matatag curriculum. Let's begin. Learning competencies and content. Activating prior knowledge, short review. Activity, unscramble me. Instructions. Scrambled letters. Establishing lesson purpose. Activity, skills in action. Instructions. Guide questions. Establishing lesson purpose, unlocking content vocabulary. Vocabulary terms, striking. Sepak Takraw. Table tennis. Raket. Subtopic 1, Sepak Takraw. Developing and deepening understanding, explicitation. Understanding Sepak Takraw, instructions. Letter A, guide questions. Letter B, connection to other games. The goal of the game. Skills needed to play Sepak Takraw. How Sepak Takraw is similar to volleyball and badminton. Purpose of learning Sepak Takraw. Developing and deepening understanding. Worked example. Continuation of the topic, Sepak Takraw. Instructions. Video number 1. How to play Sepak Takraw.
Today in our Sports Encyclopedia series, we talk about Sepak Takraw. So let's begin. Sepak Takraw, also known as Sepak Raket and Takraw, is a modified variant of volleyball that originated in Southeast Asia. Sepak Takraw involves players not using their hands to play the ball and are required to use their feet, head, knees, and chest to touch the ball. The basic objective of the game for each player is to score more points than the opposition by causing their opponents.
Key ideas. What is Sepak Takraw? What skills does it develop? Safety precautions. Developing and deepening understanding. Lesson activity. Activity, Sepak Takraw warm-up exercises. Follow these steps. Number 1. Breathing exercise. Number 2. Neck bending. Number 3. Shoulder rotation. Number 4. Arm circling. Number 5. Hip bending. Number 6. Half knee bend, mini squats. Number 7. Foot rotation, ankle circles. Number 8. Inhale and exhale properly, cool down breathing. Developing and deepening understanding. Lesson activity. Activity: playing Sepak Takraw. Instructions. Number 1. Form the teams. Number 2. Set up the court. Court dimensions. Number 3. Decide who serves first. Number 4. Start the game. Number 5. Execute the following during play. Number 6. Scoring a point. Number 7. Winning the game. Faults in Sepak Takraw include the following. For discussion, answer the question. That's all for today's video. Please stay tuned for more. God bless.